how to get a free USA visa and free accommodation, free food, free air ticket. So here in this video I will talk to you about that how you can apply and how kind of way that you will follow, and you can get easily your USA visa for free, your application fee free, your USA accommodation free, and you can also get your visa fees. Even your visa fee will be free. They will provide you your visa fee and your food, your accommodation, your each and everything they will provide you. So let's start that how you can apply and what is the name of this particular fellowship. Like you can apply in here in this like a youth interfaith leaders fellowship on climate change 2025. When you will click this particular youth interfaith leaders fellowship on in climate change 2025, here you can see like a tech university, like a North Carolina, USA, Duck University, a week-long fully funded program. Move to USA. You can move here. You can move to USA for free. Here you can travel to USA for free, and they are going to provide you air ticket. They are going to provide you accommodation. They are going to provide food, and any additional expenses will not be covered. So this company in USA, they still searching the application. Go to this website and start your application. They will provide you visa fee, flight ticket. When you will go to this website and you will apply for a fellowship, submit your reference letter, English proficiency. When you will go, there is you can easily say the requirement, and it will start. It is already start. You don't wait even a single minute or even a single day. You should start right now. This is the right time. The applications always start from 5th August 2024, and it will close 31st August 2025, closing date. And when you will start this from, for example, when you will start before 31st August 2025, so in December they will call you interview. In January 2025 they will announce of youth fellowship, and May 2025 fellowship will have, you can hold your fellowship. When you will come to this fellowship website, here you will find and you will search this kind of candidate form. Fill it like your name. You will fill like this, like name, surname, number, nationality, citizenship, religion, and gender. There is a lot of information that you will provide from you, and when you will provide these all information, and when you will submit, they will call you for in December for interview, and after that call, then they will announce the January 2025. They will announce a youth fellowship, and then you can hold it maybe in May. You can hold this fellowship as well. So don't wait. This is the right time, and subscribe my channel. This channel more crucial for all of those people who really want to move to USA, who really want to move to any other country for free. So this channel are more crucial for all of those people. Please subscribe and watch this video and go to that website and straight away apply. This will be a more beneficial video for you. Take care. Bye.